What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we cover how to create folder and file in Linux using terminal or Ubuntu March 2022. All the commands from this tutorial are listed in the description below, so you can just copy and paste them. Let's start by checking where we are in the file system and what's already here. All right, so the most basic way to create a folder in Linux is with the mkdir command, which stands for make directory. You just type mkdir followed by the name you want. After that, we can use ls to confirm it was created. Now, what if you need to create a whole chain of folders at once? That's where the -p flag comes in handy. It stands for parents, and it creates the entire directory path for you, even if none of those folders exist yet. Super useful when you're setting up project structures. You can also create multiple directories in a single command. Just list them all after mkdir separated by spaces. This saves a ton of time when you're scaffolding out a new project. Now let's talk about creating files. The touch command is your go-to for this. It creates an empty file if it doesn't already exist. If the file does exist, it just updates the timestamp. Let's create a few files for our project. Touch creates empty files, but a lot of the time, you want to put some content in there right away. You can use echo with the redirect operator to write text into a file. Then use cat to verify the contents. The double arrow appends to the file instead of overwriting it. Let's create a few more files inside our project folders and then use the tree command to get a nice visual overview of everything we've built. Tree is one of my favorite commands for seeing your full directory structure at a glance. And that's really all there is to it. To clean up, you can remove files with rm and directories with rm-r. Just be careful with rm-r because it deletes everything recursively with no confirmation. All right, folks, that wraps up today's video. Now you know how to create folders and files from the terminal like a pro. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more Linux tutorials.